Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 mechanical keyboards. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. VicSing Mechanical Keyboard. The backlit lighting control is superb, and quite extensive. There are quite 5 themed backlights, 20 lighting models pre-programmed choices. It can effectively avoid the wrist problem caused by the high suspension keycap. Mechanical red keyboard guarantee a quieter environment and the sense of paragraph. The 12 multimedia shortcuts you need to adjust your audio without interrupting your game. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Logitech Mechanical Keyboard. Japanese engineered mechanical switches provide an expertly crafted typing experience. Durable and robust construction, and design that is made to withstand your most demanding typing sessions. Get easy access to integrated media, and shortcut keys that allow you to control your entertainment. Get more customized control over your productivity, with reprogrammable keys. Full-size corded keyboard with 1.8 meters cable, with built-in strain relief. Best of 3. EagleTech Mechanical Keyboard. Sturdy keyboard base made off aircraft-grade aluminum. Compact space-saving design, with 104 full-size keys. All 104 keys are 100% conflict-free, anti-ghosting. 12 multimedia keys, Win key can be disabled for gaming. WASD and arrow keys are interchangeable. Best of 2. ASIO Large Mechanical Keyboard. Large print keys to reduce eye strain and promote productivity. Select between red, blue, or purple backlight illuminations. Built-in multimedia and quick access hotkeys. Customize the look of your keyboard with 3-color LED selection. USB plug and play, cord 5 feet. Best of 1. Redragon Mechanical Keyboard. Ergonomic design SteelSeries mechanical game keyboards, high-quality durable metal ABS construction. Rainbow LED RGB backlit mechanical USB gaming keyboard, 19 different lighting effects. Modes 2, user-defined mode 6 colors, multiple brightness level breathing speed. Anti-ghosting, all 87 keys are conflict-free, key rollover featuring 12 multimedia keyboard keys, and a non-slip ergonomic. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.